What could cause your Audi to keep cutting out? Does your Audi keep cutting out unexpectedly? What's happening to your beloved vehicle, causing it to behave in such a strange way? Go through this graphical presentation to find out. Discussing most prominent reasons. 1. Fuel delivery issue. If fuel supply to the engine is not smooth, your Audi will keep cutting out. Wondering what can disrupt fuel supply to your vehicle's engine? Well, many different things. Such as low fuel pressure, clogged fuel filter, defective fuel pump, etc. 2. Airflow blockages. One possibility is that something is blocking airflow to the engine, causing it to cut out frequently. Complied below is a list of things that can block airflow into your Audi engine. Dirty air filter, defective MAF sensor, problematic throttle system, etc. 3. Electrical malfunction, faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, a failing alternator are among the issues that can lead to intermittent engine shutdowns in Audi cars. 4. Poor battery health. Disrupted power supply because of a weak battery can also contribute to engine shutdowns. Check on your Audi's battery routinely and replace it if it has reached its maximum life. 5. Defective sensors. Defective sensors can also contribute to unprecedented engine shutdowns in Audi cars. Sensors such as crankshaft position sensor, throttle position sensor, knock sensor, oxygen sensor, coolant temperature sensor, if malfunction, can contribute to sudden engine cutouts. So, what's the solution? Seeking professional help is recommended if your Audi engine keeps cutting out. Take your vehicle to the nearest European auto service center and get the issue fixed. The bottom line. So, there you have it. A list of reasons why your Audi might keep cutting out erratically. We hope this helps.